Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing the surface and placing the sticker. This is critical because trapped dust ruins the one-way effect. First, clean with 70% alcohol and a lint-free cloth, then dry fully. Next, measure and mark the center and edges. Use a small level to ensure the image sits straight. Once marked, peel about 1/4 of the backing and create a hinge with low-tack tape at the top. This lets you align carefully before committing. Now you apply the film and focus on adhesion and bubble removal. Keep the adhesive side wet with the soap and water spray. This gives you time to shift the sticker for perfect alignment. Once aligned, press with a squeegee starting at the center and pushing outward in straight, firm strokes. This forces out air and water. If an edge lifts or a wrinkle appears, lift back gently, respray, and repeat. Work quickly but deliberately, because the solution. Finish the job by trimming, curing, and knowing one reliable fix for problems. Use a fresh utility blade and a straight edge to trim excess film. Cut slowly so you don't nick glass. Then let the sticker cure for 24 to 48 hours. Do not clean or touch it aggressively during this period, because adhesion is still strengthening. If small bubbles remain after 2 days, carefully pierce each with a tiny pin and press out trapped moisture. This removes persistent bubbles without lifting the film.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.